answer your door from anywhere at the touch of your smart device. See, hear, and talk to your visitors, and enjoy convenience and peace of mind, knowing who is at your door before you answer it. doorbell is easy to install and easy to use. Simply connect it to your current doorbell and download the free doorbell app to your smart device. doorbell is compatible with 3G, 4G, and LTE. It's waterproof and withstands harsh weather conditions. You will immediately be notified with an alert to your smartphone or tablet when a visitor is at your door.
Hello, can I help you? Okay, I will be there shortly. Thanks.
The built-in microphone and speaker allows for two-way talk with them, and if you have an electronic lock, you can even unlock your door from your smart device.
Okay, no problem. I'll be out in a minute.
Parsons Interiors. Oh, hi, Dave. Come on in. Hi, my name is Jackie Conley from Parsons Interiors. We enjoy using the doorbell system, the doorbell system. It's very good to monitor our calls when we're at the studio, and also when we're not at the studio, we get to see who's coming to the door.
Just want to say how happy I am with my doorbell. It's really helped me out when especially when I'm outside. Being able to see who's at the door, or if I'm waiting for a package. Again, similarly, if I'm in the basement, it's great to be able to see who's there and know whether I got to get to it or not. I really recommend the doorbell.
doorbell is the new doorbell. It is a convenient and secure way to answer the door and monitor your home, no matter where in the world you are. To learn more or to